Are you paying $20 a month for ChatGPT plus another $50 to $100 for API credits? What if I told you that you can run an open source model that beats GPT for on your own $15 VPS? Unlimited usage, zero API fees. Let me show you the math. If you process about 1 million tokens per day, that's roughly 30 long articles worth of AI usage. Here's what you're paying. ChatGPT Plus with API overage is about $320 per month. Claude 4 is $470 per month. The DeepSeek official API is about $15 per month. But self-hosted on your own VPS is just $30 per month, a fixed cost with unlimited tokens. But here's the real kicker. DeepSeek V4 is not some toy model. It's a 600 billion parameter Mo architecture that matches or beats GPT 4o and Claude 4 on benchmarks. It supports 128K context, multimodal input, and it's MIT licensed, completely free for commercial use. And thanks to quantization, you can run a version that only needs about 18 gigs of storage on a regular VPS without a GPU. So what do you need? A VPS with 16 CPU cores and 64 gigs of RAM, about $15 to $30 per month from Hetzner, Vultr, or DigitalOcean. If you want GPU acceleration, add a 24 gig card for $60 to $100 per month. For most people, the CPU-only plan is plenty. It runs at about 1 to 3 tokens per second, perfect for writing, coding, and document analysis. Here's the part that blew my mind. USSH into your VPS and run one command. Curl space fssl https://ollama.com/install.sh pipe.sh. That's it. Ollama is the easiest way to run local LLMs. One command installs everything. Then pull the model. The Q4_K_M quantized version is about 18 gigs and offers the best quality to size ratio. Run Ollama pull DeepSeek V4 Q4_K_M. This takes 10 to 30 minutes, depending on your internet speed. Grab a coffee. Once it's done, run Ollama run DeepSeek V4 Q4_K_M. And just like that, you're talking to a GPT 4o class AI on your own server. Command line is cool, but let's make it look like ChatGPT. One Docker command gives you open WebUI. Docker run -d-name open-webui p3000:8080-v open-webui-data:/app/backend/data-e ollama_base_url equals http://ip:11,434.jhcr.io/open-webui/open-webui:main. Wait 30 seconds. Open your browser at http://your-vps-ip:3000. Boom. You now have a private ChatGPT. Let me show you what it can do. I asked it to write a Python quicksort algorithm, and it generated the complete code in seconds. I asked it to analyze a PDF contract. It extracted all key terms. I asked it to translate a technical document from English to Chinese. Perfect. Let's revisit the numbers. 1 year of AI usage. GPT 4o API costs $3,840. Claude 4 API costs $5,640. DeepSeek official API costs $180. But VPS self-hosted is just $360. Self-hosting pays for itself after about 2 million tokens per year. The more you use it, the more you save. And remember, all your data stays on your server. No one else sees your conversations, your code, or your documents. I've put together a complete step-by-step tutorial with all the commands at selfvps.net. Link in the description. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe. I publish weekly tutorials on self-hosting, AI, and saving money on cloud services. Drop a comment if you have questions. I read every single one.